Okay, so let me see here. What are we doing here? All right, so we're getting this 16-inch on here, and there's a couple things we got to do. Make sure they work. This has got a 130/90, so it's got a much fatter tire. Put your finger up there. So we got to flatten out that brake stay. The rim itself has to be trued up about ½ inch off center towards the left side of the bike. So this is Scott's. All right, let's see the other side.
We built a different differential for it.
All right, so Stevie had to build a whole nother differential. We'll keep the other one for a core. That's an 835 inside there. The stock Eldorado would be an 837, so it's a little bit taller gearing because to make up for the shorter wheels, the speedometer is not so far off, and it doesn't rev like crazy. The other thing that's hard to see is it's got to be offset because, let me see if I can get in there. The clearance right here, so there's that clearance right here, right there on the swing arm. If you make it right down the center, then the tire is going to rub. So, all right, so this is looking good. Right now we got old shocks on it. These are shorty shocks, but we're waiting on the new ones because they're out of production or whatever right now. But it looks nice and pretty. Should we show them the Barani? Where's the Barani at?
On this side. Oh, you know what? It's on the left side. Nah. How did that happen,
You know.
I thought you had it written on there. Maybe
Yeah,
you couldn't
I did.
fucking offset it that way or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Well.
Here, you want to see the Barani?
Yeah. Normally it's on the right side. I don't know. I got to talk to Dave and find out. Maybe he couldn't offset it. You're right.
That's the only thing I could think of.
Yeah, because I had it marked.
Yeah, you did.
All right. Well, there you go. Ain't gonna hurt nothing, but
No.
it is custom.
No one will even know except
We won't
for
tell.
us.
We won't tell anybody. So, anyways, there you go. This is Scott. We'll send this video to Scott. He wants to get this bike picked up soon. The siren looks like it's gonna line up okay. So this is early mid '72 Eldorado Police. Getting her all wrapped up, so she should be running by the end of the day. We had to pull we lower it, you got to pull the center stand off. So there we go. Thank you guys for watching.
Wow, that sun glare off your head is pretty much just washing out the entire video. Holy
We were shooting
shit,
it right in the sun,
fucking-
lady.
There. Alright, now I can freaking see again. Wow.
Well, that's not
You
very
need to
nice.
wear like a hat
Wow.
or something.
Calm down, lady.
I'm being blinded. Whoa, he's so cool.
Yeah, he is.
Whoa. I wish I could be that cool.
How's it feel?
It's a new top end.
How's it going? What's that guy wear a mask for?
Why don't you ask him?
I will.
You know what? He probably wets it down and helps himself stay cool.
Why don't you wear a mask?
That's all right. He can wonder.
All right, so let's see if Lindy Lou can sit on this thing. So that's pretty comfortable for you. How tall are you?
About 5'5", 5'6".
All right, and you got a real low center of gravity, so
Real low.
yeah, that's perfect for you. Let's see how you handle that. Does she know how to run it? I think she started out in second. I think she started in second.
She just locked it fucking right through the tunnel.
Oh boy. So how's it feel, lady?
It feels great. These things are so comfortable to ride. I actually really love these bikes. I'm not being paid to say that.
Are you not?
No. It's not because I work on them.
Even though you came in fourth gear?
came in fourth gear.
Yeah, what you came in?
Get the fuck out of here. No, I came in fucking second.
Third.
You don't know.
Third.
No. I was in second.
Arthur next door.
I thought you guys were going to do something with the time.
Why would I do something tonight?
I thought you were for the idol or something. I don't know.
Get it out there. You gotta keep your eyes open to see how fast we were when we turned the idle down.
All right, see if you can park it over there, lady. We'll see how good you are.
Where am I pulling this thing?
Anywhere, inside.
All right, get out of my way. Going around.
She can't do a U-turn here? All right, lady.
Good enough for you guys, lady?
It's enough, lady.
Not good enough.
All right, good job, lady.
Yeah, I know.